Today, you will learn how to build a CRM app without code in minutes. With this app, you will be able to access your customer information in just one place, assign customer relationship managers, and keep track of your existing contracts. We'll use Glide's CRM no-code template, which comes with all these features, as a starting point and customize it to make it your own. Let's explore how you can do this in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Start with a template. First, go to glideapps.com/templates and look for the CRM template, or click the link in the description. Then click on Create this app to make a copy of this template in your account. If you don't have one, you can easily create one for free. Step 2. Import your data. Once you have copied the template, click over View Data using the top menu to see the information currently powering the template. The app's data is structured in 5 tables. Contacts, which will store all the contact information of your customers. Contracts, which contains the contract details with your current customers. Companies, a list of the companies where your customers work. And users, where you will store your users' information. You can replace that data with your own in the built-in Glide tables, or connect your app to your existing company data sources, like Google Sheets, Excel, or SQL databases. Just click on View Data, then the plus button, select your source, and follow the steps to connect it. Step 3. Add advanced features. With Glide, you can add the features your business needs by using a wide range of pre-made components that also design the app for you. Incorporate other powerful features like a Kanban board to keep track of your contracts pipeline, or a calendar to include your upcoming meetings with your customers. Just drag and drop any of the pre-made components to add them to your app. Check out other tutorials to learn more about them. You can also connect your app with tools you already use, like Docusign to send contracts to sign, Gmail or Microsoft Outlook to send emails to your customers directly from your app, and more, ensuring your CRM app is an integrated part of your business ecosystem. Additionally, you can build powerful workflows to trigger actions and these integrations without any code using the Actions editor. Step 4. Customize the user interface. Now, it is time to personalize the app to make it your own. You can easily change the layout settings to fit your preference, set up a custom domain, upload your logo, and change the appearance, such as color and preferred theme to match your brand. Step 5. Set users and permissions. Your Glide app is private by default, so you have control over who has access to your app and your company information. You can customize your privacy preferences and sign-in methods like SSO in the Settings menu for further security. Set users and role permissions to show different data to different users for even more control over your information. Check out this video to learn more about privacy and security. When you're done, deploying is as easy as clicking on Publish and sharing a private link with your team to start using it right away. Thanks to Glide's responsive interface, your apps will work on mobile, desktop, and tablets automatically without any extra work. You don't have to stop there. You can build an entire interconnected system of custom software to run your business. Create apps like customer portals, inventory management systems, or even a knowledge hub for your team. Start for free today at glideapps.com and experience the power of custom software creation.